Hello everyone and welcome to Flavorful Cooking. Today I'll be showing you how to make Goan style chicken with sultana in almonds. For this recipe you would need 1.5 pounds of chicken breast fillet cut into cubes, 2 teaspoons ground cumin, 2 teaspoons ground coriander, pinch of ground cinnamon and cardamom powder, half a teaspoon cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon brown sugar, 2 teaspoons orange zest, 2 tablespoons of orange juice, 2 tablespoons of sultanas, which is golden raisins, 2 tablespoons toasted almonds, 4 cloves of garlic finely chopped, 1 large onion thinly sliced, 1/4 cup of yogurt, salt and pepper to taste, and oil for cooking. Dry fry the spices in a wok over low heat for about 1 minute or until fragrant, shaking the wok regularly. Mixing the spices regularly. Next, add oil and stir fry the onion and garlic over high heat for 3 minutes. Then remove from the wok. Reheat the wok and add oil and stir fry the chicken in 2 batches until it is golden and just cooked. Return all the chicken into the wok. Then add in the onion mixture, orange zest, sultanas, sugar, and juice. Cook for 1 minute, tossing until most of the juice evaporates. If you would like to enhance the flavor, you can add salt and pepper to taste. Stir in the yogurt and reheat gently without boiling or the yogurt will separate. When finished, garnish with the toasted almonds. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, bye bye now.